Got 4 trains going around at the same time. Got the Circus train, got the Burlington. Here comes the Lionel train, 25. And we got the Mickey Mouse train. Everything's looking good. Come back over here and they're going into the tunnel there, into the mountain. Here comes the Mickey Mouse train coming up. And Burlington going around. Here comes the Circus train. And there's the 2025 steam locomotive 6-wheeler smoking. Hope everybody enjoys this video. And please subscribe to me. I appreciate it. It's free. Everybody has a great day, I hope. Thank you.